My project is a tic-tac-toe virtual game. It's a double player game where two players go against each other in a game of tic-tac-toe.
Okay, how'd you get the idea for it?
I was made to do it.
Wow. All right. Right, cool. Why don't you show us how it works?
So once you start the game, the turtle will draw a board, and then there will be several functions that will ask you what square you'll choose, and then you'll go back and forth until one player has one player is winning, and then it'll declare the victory of one player.
Okay. Cool. And like play through a game and show us the actual thing working.
So it says player one is X and player two is O. And then it says player one will go first. So I choose a block from 1 to 9, which is each block is labeled with a number, and then you just choose one of the block. So if I go 1, then that'll be X. And then, for example, if there was a player 2, he would go 8. That'll be where 8 is. And then back and forth until one player wins, and it'll declare that player victory.
Cool. All right. Anything else you want to mention about your app, or is that it?
That was it.
All right, cool. Okay, nice job, Bryan.
Slay.